Good morning students. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 3 and 4 from exercise 11.3, chapter 11, perimeter and area. In question number 3, the question is, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter. Circumference is given here, 154 meter, find its radius and also find the area of the sheet. So circumference of the circular sheet is given 154 meter. You know that the formula of circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 154 meter. Now value of pi it is given 2 into 22 by 7. Pi, value of pi is 22 by 7 and radius we don't know. We have to find the radius. To find the radius by using the circumference, you can find it easily. 44 r by 7 is equal to 154. Now r is equal to 154 divided by 44 into 7. Okay. Now to find the radius, you can cancel it. 4 11 ja 44, 11 1 ja 11, 14 ja 154, 2 ja 7 ja. So what is the radius? 7 into 7 49 by 2. That is therefore radius is equal to 49 by 2 meter. If you divide it, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8.5 meter. Can divide it, you will get this one. So radius is you can find it 24.5 centimeter 5 meter or 49 by 2 meter. To find the area of the circle, you know pi into r square, that is 22 by 7 into r square means 49 by 2. We can take in this way 49 by 2 into 49 by 2, because r square, r will come 2 times meter square. 7 7 ja 49, 2 11 ja 22. So area 77 into 49 by 2 meter square. If you multiply this 77 into 49, you will get 3773 by 2 meter square. And if we divide it to the division in the rough portion of your copy, 1886.5 meter square. So the area of the circle also we have we can see here, and the radius of the circle is 24.5 meter. Understood? Next sum is in this question we can see that a circular garden is given here. It is given that a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. A gardener wants to fence his circular garden of diameter 21 meter. So by using this diameter you can find out its radius by 2. Now to find, he wants to fence his garden. Fencing means the perimeter. You have to find the circumference of the circle by using this radius. To find the length of the rope, he needs to make the 2 rounds of this fence. How much? What will be the length of the rope and what will be the cost of the rope? If 1 meter length of the rope is cost rupees 4. So first of all we will find the circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r. Radius we can see that 2 pi means 22 by 7. Radius is 21 by 2 meter. 2 and 2 can cancel. 3 7 ja 21, so it will be 66 meter. So if I make the rope in one round, we will need 66 meter of the rope. Now we have to make the circular garden with the rope with a 2 round of fencing. 2 round of fencing if we need, then we have to, therefore the length of the rope will be for one times it will be 66 meter, for 2 times of fencing 66 into 2 meter, 132 meter. Okay. Now cost of the rope. Cost of the rope. Now cost of the rope at the rate of rupees 4 per meter, 132 into rupees 4, that is rupees 8, 12, 528 rupees. So this is the answer of this question. What is the circumference of the circle? First you have to find out this one. Then if we want to fence it to round, then what will be the length of the rope? This will be the answer. First answer, what will be the length of the rope, and then cost of the rope will be at the rate of rupees 4. You will multiply it and you will get the second answer. Hope the sums will be easy for you, but students, you need to practice. Thank you, students.